Hey guys, Midnight Trinity here, and today I have Decora Girlz, a doll that I found at Ross. This is how much it was. You could have gotten Decora Dream, Regina, Heather, and Pixelz. This is Pixelz. So I'm going to get right into her so you can see her. Here she is, sort of out of box. Hi guys, and here I am back. She was kind of difficult to get out of the box because I didn't realize how many of her things were like stuck on. So, yeah. So, Regina, Pixelz, Heather, Decora Dream, then Decora Cheer, Cyber Girl. This was Series 1. I have only her. So, well, no, I have all four, but in her original clothes and everything, I only have her. And here are the stickers she comes with. These ones. Then these ones. Then she comes with a green Decora brush, a little chat bubble hair clip, and a little video game purse, and then a stand. And this is Miss Pixelz. She's actually like really cute, and her hair is actually really soft and like really nice. And she's got like some points of articulation. She's got Barbie legs and like stiff arms, but for like $11 I can't really complain. And she's got striped tights, game on, a fuzzy skirt / shorts, these bright neon pink shoes, and black hair on one side with blue streak, and pink hair with a darker pink streak on the other side with the pink cat ear headphones, which is really cute. And I hope you liked today's video. And sorry I wasn't around last week. I had a lot happen. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Say bye, Pixelz. Bye. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.